Good evening, friends, and good wishes to my students. And I would like to advise to my students through Facebook. Dear students, one more month is left to appear for the final examination, that is NEET, that has to be held on 13th September. And during these 30 days, what you are supposed to do, stay persistent and avoid procrastinating. So that is generally when you are studying at home, so naturally used to postpone the things. So that you should avoid, and you should persistently read, and whatever you have kept in the morning to study, that is scheduled, that should be completed, but don't procrastinate the things and read persistently. Second one is plan a proper study schedule every day. As soon as you wake up from the bed, you schedule the things to be done on the particular day. So that is very important. And so after that, before going to the bed every day, you introspect whether you have completed your schedule or not. Very important point. And then set realistic goals. And don't keep a goal of studying all chapter in one day. So keep a realistic goal. How much time you have, how much time you will be able to recall, how much you will be able to revise, that is important. Taking that point into consideration, you make a goal, you make a schedule. And so that what we call it as setting a realistic goal, a specific goal, and a realistic goal, and achievable goal, a time-bound goal, that is smart goal. So avoid multitasking. Don't be in hurry-burry, so that leads to the tension. So avoid multitasking. Do one job at one time. So one task at one time. So at this moment, multitasking doesn't help you. Very important point you have to remember now. So keep distractions away. You are so easily tempted to so many attractions at home, such as TV, such as iPad, such as Facebook, such as WhatsApp, such as Twitter, and so on. But utilize your social media judicially and use a little amount of time for your social media. And don't be addicted to the social media, or don't leave your study table to watch movies at this moment. So a movie of your choice comes on the TV screen, don't be tempted to go and watch the things, and take schedule break. So at least for every half an hour, take 5 minutes or so break. So after half an hour study, you can take 5 minutes break. That is very important, what psychologist says. So your brain needs 5 minutes rest after studying 30 minutes. If it is 1 hour, at least take 10 minutes or so. So that breaks will help you to revitalize your neurons of your brain. So by following this, and you will be able to achieve your goal. All the best. Good night.